Okay, so people are always asking me, Dr. Smith, what is the deal with these DIY aligners? Well, let me go back a little bit to talk about where they came from. Invisalign was the first to market clear aligners back in the 1980s, and now their name is as synonymous with clear aligners as Q-tips are to cotton tip applicators. Since then, a lot of Invisalign's patents have expired, and now every single dental company has their own version of Invisalign. That's why you see Easy Align, Clear Correct, Sure Smile, etc. Some of these are even offered by your orthodontist, who will select the right option for you. Other aligner companies go direct to consumer. Consumer beware of DIY aligners. The problem with most DIY aligners is that they're only focused on straightening the person's teeth and not really focused on how the teeth fit together or their occlusion. The general population won't realize this is a big deal until after a few rounds of DIY aligners, you'll find that you can no longer bite all the way down. Some teeth are up, some teeth are down, you're biting on some teeth and not the others, or when you bite down, now your bite is going to one side. Alternatively, as DIYers align your teeth, a lot of times they may expand the roots right out of the bone. These instances of traumatic occlusion often lead to loose teeth and teeth falling out. Orthodontists spend 2 to 3 years of focused study after dental school studying the concept of aesthetics and occlusion. We learn about what makes a smile aesthetic based on hundreds of consumer studies. We learn how the teeth are supposed to fit together in different circumstances. Say, for instance, you're missing a tooth in one quadrant. Your orthodontist is trained how to align all the other teeth so that you still end up with a beautiful smile and no one can really tell that a tooth is even missing. At the same time, your bite has to be stable and functional. Because there's no one following up with your case with the DIY aligners, patients often feel confused about when to change the next aligner. Is this treatment even going well? Why are my teeth not moving like the video shows they're supposed to move? Is it supposed to feel like this? And at the end of it, if you don't get the result that you want, you're pretty much out of luck, as their fine print dictates that your desired result is not guaranteed. And since there's no physical site or person to address your concerns, you don't have anywhere to go to talk about your problems. At SLS Orthodontics, we meticulously plan all cases to achieve the ideal result that we discuss at your free initial consultation. Every case is studied in extreme detail and planned to ensure efficiency and accuracy. We have state-of-the-art 3D printing technology and tooth alignment software that identifies all the tooth contacts and makes sure everything fits together exactly the way it should. Furthermore, we have treatment options that are even more affordable than some DIY options online. Why settle for less when you can have premium service at a better price? Give us a call at 954-368-0105 or visit us online at www.slsortho.com. We're also on Instagram at SLSortho, and we even have our own patient app. You can download a free app in your Play Store, App Store on your phone. The app is called SLS Orthodontics. Check us out.